In this video I'll show you how to remove songs from Spotify playlist. In this video I'll show you the best method to remove songs from Spotify. This is really easy and simple, so please watch this video until the end. Don't miss anything, because if you do miss, then you will not be able to remove songs. So please watch this video until the end. Now let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is to open Spotify and go to a playlist. For me, in my library here I have this playlist called Power, and here as you can see I want to remove this song. Okay, I need to tab on these three dots right there, and all I need to do right now is to tab on remove from this list. And now the song the song has been removed. That's it, guys. It's really easy. Just don't forget, just tap on these three dots and then look for remove from playlist, and that's it. Really easy. I hope this video helped you. If it did, if this video provided you with a great solution, just like this video please, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.